All right, Abusia. God bless everybody. Today, I want to dare the NDC and the youth in the Volta region to show me one project of President John Dramani Mahama. One project of President John Dramani Mahama that can be compared to the project of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. The building Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has built in UHAS Ho campus. I said, I'm daring the whole NDC, the youth, especially the Votarians. I'm daring you people. Because, Nemi Likomi be President Nanado, yo va, Mona Neke Volta region. Mona Neke, President Nanado has never done anything for us in the Volta region. Please, I'm daring you people. Those of you saying that, I'm daring you people. I said, you people should show me one project of President John Dramani Mahama that can be compared. That can be compared to the second phase of UHAS that President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has built for you people in the Volta region. But you keep on saying he has done that thing. Show me one project of President Mahama. Yes, if people can show me one, me I'll quit coming to TikTok. All right, God bless everybody. So there's this issue, there's this argument about who built Volta District Hospital in the Volta region, Ketu North. A lot of the youth in Ketu North do not know that John Dramani Mahama, they keep on saying that John Dramani Mahama was the one who built Volta District Hospital, which is total lie. There's no, you can't point any good thing of President John Dramani Mahama in the Volta region. But these youths keep on boasting, President John Dramani Mahama did this. I want us to set the record straight today that President John Dramani Mahama has never built Volta District Hospital. Let me give you the details of who built Volta District Hospital. The Volta District Hospital was commissioned and completed in October 2020 by President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, showboy. Are you people hearing me? President Nana Addo to Volta District Hospital. Tanya Momoko Nyama Dari John Dramani Mahama to Volta District Hospital. Lakby. Mafia me it's not like he even did anything that President Nanado come and continue. Let me give you the details. Please, let's be real. The project was commissioned in 20th October 2020. Construction begins, they start that work in around 2018. 2018, they started the work 2018. 2018, who was in power? Is it John Dramani Mahama? Or Atam else? Who was in power in 2018? Is it John Dramani? And the project completed in 2020 under the directive of President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. 60-bed hospital facility. 60-bed hospital facility. Volta.
But a major boost for us has been the China Phase 2 project, which is a donation or a grant from the government of China to the government of Ghana, which was made available to us here at UHAS through a lot of negotiations and backroom discussions, which I don't want to get into the details now, but the end of the story is that we have a $60 million facility which is coming up very nicely. And it is putting up the offices for our School of Nursing and Midwifery, which is our biggest school as far as numbers are concerned.
This is a 3 years project. It's donated by the Chinese government. We are building a central administrative building. That's offices for the VCs and higher management. That's mainly offices and conference rooms. And the other building is a nursery and midwifery school building. It consists of 3 buildings. One is a teaching block, like where we are staying. The other one is skills lab and also offices for the school management, the deans and other lecturers. This is for the nursery and midwifery school. Yeah, it's here. We are staying this area. This is the office building for the school. This is the kitchen area. This is the skills lab. Yeah, this is a see from the courtyard, the view from the inside the courtyard. This photo is this picture is about the central administrative. That means in future, the VC and other directors, their office will be here and other conference rooms. That one is in construction. But for this area, we've done most of the work. Yeah. This is a 200 seaters classroom. This side will be the stage for the teacher. They have the projector and his laptop and a speaker, so he will speak to the students. This office can provide the seats for over 200 students. We have 4 big classrooms like this in this building, that side we have seen that is 50 seaters, and that side we also have 100 seaters. In summary, we can provide seats for 2,400 in total. If we see the back, we can see they are working on the central administrative block. Because the rock is too hard, so we are breaking the rock over 1 year now, and it already reaches the end. So the foundation work has started, and within six months, I think we are going to see the structure rises up. Yeah.
So it has the dean's office, offices for the faculty, conference rooms, library, and everything that a typical school should have. But in addition to that, we have a teaching block. The teaching block can seat about 2,400 students at a go. 2,400 students can be seated at a go. There are 4 lecture theaters that seat 200 students each. And there are many other lecture theaters that seat 100 students each. And there are only 2 lecture theaters that seat 50 students. So this is a game changer as far as our teaching infrastructure is concerned. Then there is a skills lab, a state-of-the-art skills lab, which presents the opportunity for simulation of all kinds of conditions, for training all our health professionals. So it is not just for the nurses, but for the medical students, for our students in the School of Allied Health Sciences, our nursing students. All our health students are going to have a state-of-the-art simulation laboratory where they can study and have practical opportunities to see what different presentations some patients can come with. So for instance, you can have a simulation of a patient with pneumonia, and so you go to the mannequins and there will be a simulation where you can listen to the chest and hear all the sounds. That you can listen to the heart of a patient to tell you all kinds of heart diseases that could present, and it's a state of the art. So we are making considerable progress. And then finally, we have the central administration of the university. So we're going to have the offices of the Vice Chancellor and his administrative setup. All our directorates would have their offices there, the offices of the Registrar, Directorate of Academic Affairs, Human Resources, the Audit, the Finance Directorate, Works and Fiscal Development, our Legal Counsel. Everybody is catered for in that building. So for me, that is the game changer for UHAS.